LinkedIn is a powerful platform for advertising your business and reaching a professional audience. By creating document ads on LinkedIn, you can capture your audience's attention with engaging content. Document ads allow you to share PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, or Word documents directly in the LinkedIn feed. These ads are highly visible and have a prominent call to action button that drives traffic to your desired website or landing page. You can use document ads to showcase your expertise, demonstrate your products or services, or provide valuable industry insights. The interactive nature of document ads encourages users to engage with your content and spend more time on your page. LinkedIn provides detailed analytics, allowing you to track the performance of your document ads and make data-driven decisions. With document ads, you can target specific industries, job titles, or even individual companies to ensure that your content reaches the right people. Document ads are a cost-effective way to increase brand awareness, generate leads, and drive conversions on LinkedIn. They offer a unique opportunity to stand out from traditional ads and showcase your expertise in a visually appealing format. When creating document ads, make sure your content is visually appealing, easy to read, and provides value to your target audience. Focus on creating a catchy headline and a compelling description that will entice users to click on your ad. Consider using images, graphs, or charts to make your document ads visually captivating and easy to understand. Be strategic with your placement and timing of document ads to maximize their impact and reach the right people at the right time. Experiment with different types of documents, such as case studies, white papers, or product catalogs, to see what resonates best with your audience. Keep your document ads concise and focused, highlighting the most important points and benefits of your offering. Ensure that your call to action is clear and compelling, guiding users to take the desired action after engaging with your document. Use LinkedIn's targeting options to refine your audience to ensure your document ads are seen by the most relevant professionals. Regularly monitor the performance of your document ads and make adjustments to optimize their effectiveness. Consider using A/B testing to compare different versions of your document ads and identify the best performing elements. Measure the success of your document ads by tracking key metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and engagement rates. Continuously refine your document ads based on the insights gathered from analytics to improve their performance over time. Document ads on LinkedIn offer a unique opportunity to showcase your expertise, drive engagement, and generate valuable leads.